Alrighty, let's take this a ride here in a 69 Pontiac Firebird.
This one's beefed up.
Yep, one family owned.
Yeah, it's a local California car. Got the black plates on there and everything. But used to, now it's got a 455 in it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
4-speed.
Yep, stick shift there.
It runs good.
Oh yeah, dual quads.
Woohoo! Yeah, this thing runs really good.
Yeah, it runs good.
It's got 12 Bolt Posi in there too, right?
Yep, yep. It's got some PMD Rallies.
We just put new rubber on it too, PF Goodrich TAs.
Yeah, and it's got the dual quads on there, polished intake manifold, MSD ignition. So it's got all the good stuff, you know.
Got air conditioning. I don't know if it works. I didn't try that yet, but
yeah,
it's all there and all hooked up.
Yeah.
Old school radio, and it looks like an 8-track player.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yep.
Got a shift
Radio
light up here,
underneath.
which you really don't need unless you're racing, but
yeah.
you could take that off. Cool though. Factory hood tack up there.
Yep.
That works too. Look at that.
Yeah, I can't see it from here.
Yeah, this thing runs really good.
Oh yeah, no, that's a nice running Firebird.
Nice dual exhaust. Got the original paint color too. I think it's
antique gold metallic.
Yep,
or
yep.
antique metallic gold. Okay, yeah, do it backwards.
Got the bucket seats. Got the Deluxe interior. I think with these pull handles.
Pull handles, yeah.
Pretty cool. Even a factory steering wheel.
Yeah. Nice car, man. Like I said, runs nice and strong too.
Power steering and
front disc, right? Or
no, it's got drum brakes.
Oh, drums all around,
but
huh?
we did go through all of them, and it stops really good. A lot of 4-speeds had drum brakes, you know.
Yeah, yeah, sure you can downshift, yeah. Alrighty, picture spot.
All right, check out this 1969 Firebird. We don't get too many Firebirds. We get more Camaros. I like the Firebirds. It's a great looking car. It was more of a deluxe version of it. You know, it's antique gold, got the black vinyl top. It's the way it came. I got it from this guy. His father had passed away, and he left it to him, and just wasn't using it. But he remembers riding to school in it and everything. So that's all kind of cool. I like to hear the history on these. Got the original black license plates. Nice rust-free car underneath. The floors are great. Under the hood, they put a 455. Not factory, obviously. I think they only made up to a 400 in this car for 69. But it's got a 455 V8 in it with dual quads. We'll show that to you in a little while. Factory 4-speed, Muncie 4-speed. Original AM radio in there, but they got a cassette player under the dash. But all pretty original in here. Right down to the steering wheel. The dashboard's in good shape. The bucket seats with the headrest. Even has the 3-point belts, which was an option. All the seats and everything are in really good shape on this car. It drives nice too. It just kind of feels like a one family owned car. You know, it hasn't been passed around a bunch. All they did was want to add a little bit more juice to it. Got the hood tack there. That works too. Probably saw in our driving video. But you know, a couple little things here and there, a couple little spots on the paint. You know, a couple emblems could be replaced if you want to make it mint. But right now it shows really well. All the glass is good. Everything seems to work well on it. And just a fun little 69 Firebird. Here's the power plant in the 69 Firebird. Nice big hunk of iron right there. 455. Backed by that 4-speed. You know, it's got MSD ignition. It's got the dual Edelbrock carburetors with the polished intake manifold. Factory AC setup right there. It's got non-power drum brakes, dual reservoir, but all new. We just did, like, you know, new master and shoes and all that kind of stuff. So it stops really good. You know, cools real well too. It's got the big radiator in there. Look at even the paint under the hood is nice. But we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, little rumbling big block there. That's a whole lot of motor for this car. And it pulls nice and strong too. We'll rock around the back so you can hear it. Got a nice little cammy sound to it. Nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. Yeah, kicking up some dust. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Be happy to show it to you. And phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and that's Gary sitting in the Firebird over there. Either one of us would be happy to talk to you about the car. Thanks for watching.